So by now you've heard of those online car buying services where you can buy your car right out of a vending machine. A vending machine? Really? Why would you buy a car out of a vending machine when you can get one right from a factory certified dealer?
At Liberty Mazda, we're a certified factory dealer, which means all of our vehicles are certified by factory-trained technicians using genuine factory parts
at the same or lower prices than an independent mechanic.
The online buying service can't do that. Plus, every customer gets our perfect price policy, which means you get our best price first. We even have an exchange policy and home delivery, just like they do, except we'll send someone that knows everything about the car, so you will too. And best of all, if you decide you don't want a pre-owned certified vehicle, we can get you into a brand new one at a payment that's best for you.
Make the right decision, make the executive decision.